Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to run you through our warm water setup in the house and what we do during the winter to not use any power whatsoever. Our house has been built to work off solar, power, gas and wood. So what I'm going to show you is how we installed the system so it can help people out there that is looking into different options of heating their house, warm water during the winter, and save you some money on heating. So first of all, let's start with the gas. So first of all, we have the gas cylinders here, 235 kilogram gas bottles delivered by Rock Gas. We are paying $185 per bottle delivered. US, it's like $90 US, plus minus. From the gas, we run through to the Infinity 826. This is our heat source for the warm water in the house. And then what we have is this blue tap here. This is the regulated tap for when you choose between the wetback system in the house, the fireplace, and using gas or not. Every time we want to use the fireplace in the house, we just turn this tap off and this stops the water coming through from the gas bottle. So if we turn this tap off, it stops the water coming into the Infinity and it runs through the wetback system in the house. Our solar panels on our deer shed, that is the solar panels we use on the solar system to charge our battery. So let's have a look at our dual purpose fireplace. So first of all, we start on the top. This acts as a stove where you can make your food. Then we have the firebox with the line back or wetback on the sides to heat the warm water. On the bottom we have the oven that we barely use. So let's have a look at our warm water cylinder and the setup of our warm water cylinder. This is a stainless steel twin coil warm water cylinder. That's got a coil on the top and on the bottom. The cylinder can run off grid power, solar power and the wetback. So let's just have a look at the setup on the bottom. The piping. First of all, we have the tray here, so it's an overflow tray for any water that overflows. And then we have as well here another overflow connector here and another one going up to the roof, through the roof. So the only thing we need to do when we want to use the wetback is we've got a tap installed here on the bottom. So we open this tap and we closed the tap outside, and then when we want to use the gas again, we just close this tap and we can use the outside gas again. Very functional, and the house is built so it's a very functional unit, and the house are built to have options on if the grid goes down or no power, then we have options. The other thing I use my cupboard for is storing my tools, to keep them dry as possible, so my tools goes in here. I hope this video helped you guys to understand the warm water system we have in the house and to give you a bit of an idea what needs to be done with your setups. If you would like to see more videos related to our off-grid living, you can check it out on this side, and please do subscribe to my channel and help this channel grow and be a success. Thank you for your time and good evening.